Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. Today we have a hair sponsor from Hotbeautyhair. They sent me over this package, so if you're interested to see what's inside, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've been dying to open this bad boy up. I have been trying my best to open it with you guys, so let's just jump right into it together. I'm gonna open my box, and first things first, they send you the wig and this nice packaging. This is a good way to store your wig after you take it off so that the hair is protected. So I'm gonna save this for last. I'm gonna put this over here. They also give you a little pouch, which is so handy because you can keep all your goodies inside. Let's see, we open it up and you get some little clips. You got one over here and two little clips. I love this pink one. You also get some hairpins and you also get a elastic band. I like this one because it's short. It's easier to have a short elastic headband because the way that you secure it to your wig, it's gonna fit you tighter, but it's super stretchy, so if you have a big head like me, then don't worry about it.
I know that's right.
Also you get a edge comb brush. I can never get too many of these because they are always coming in handy, and of course you get some handy dandy tweezers. They're not only good for plucking your lace or your hair out of your units, but they're also good for, you know, your eyebrows and stuff like that, so perfect. You also get two pieces of the wig caps in here. Always coming in handy, so I'm glad they sent these over. And you get a ginormous pick, and when I tell you ginormous, I'm literally talking ginormous. After you see the wig, you will understand why this will come in handy, but without further ado, let's get into it. This is something that's a bit out of my comfort zone, but I was like, let's just do it. This wig is so cute. I've been seeing it more and I'm like, ooh, I cannot wait to see how this wig looks on me. Let me pull out my phone so I can get all the details correct. This is, let me see. Super double draw rose curl 180% density wig in 8 inches in natural black. So without further ado, I just had to get that out there. Let me show you guys. So you get the wig with the little fishnet thingy on it, and look at this wig. Like, it is so cute. Look at these curls bouncing and flowing and being free and lively. So cute. The hair is so soft. I wish you guys could feel how soft this hair is. Super soft. Look at these curls. This is perfect for the like natural girl because this looks like a perm rod or like a flexi set. So this is super cute, and nobody can tell you that's not your real hair, girl. Period. So super cute. Look at it. It has a little bangs. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Oh, I can't wait to try this on. So when we open up this bad boy, as you can see, this is what the wig looks like from the inside. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3 clips in the inside, and the good thing about it is that it has a adjustable headband thingy on it already, and you have your little adjustable straps over here so you can fasten it to your head. Super easy because literally all you have to do is plop this on your head. You don't have to melt the lace or anything like that. So I'm so excited to try this on. Let's just get ready. I'm going to put my wig cap on. The perfect thing about this wig is that you can literally have this as a protective style. You can have your hair in some braids, and you can plop this on because there is no lace that you have to melt down or anything. It's like a closure at the top. So this could be the perfect protective hairstyle for you. If you don't know how to do hair, this is absolutely perfect and beginner friendly for you because literally all you have to do is plop this bad boy on. I don't know how to braid the best, but I have a bun right now, so I'm just gonna plop this on like so. And I'm just gonna put the wig on. Like, I'm so excited, but this is so out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm not sure how it's gonna look on me, but I'm super excited to try new things. I'm embracing change, and we're gonna find out together how it looks like on me. So I'm just going to fasten the adjustable straps to the tightest one so it can be super snug to my head. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now that that's done, it's time to put it on my head. Now I'm looking like, hope this fits on my head. Okay, here we go. I just put the elastic band over my little bun, putting this clamp at the back underneath my little bun. Wait a second, y'all, wait a second. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wait.
A few minutes later.
Oh my goodness, this is a different look for me, y'all. I look like, ooh, oh no, y'all, hold up. Let me open my pickup. Is this cute on me? Let me know.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
This is cute. I feel like a little girl. Oh my goodness. Like with the Shirley Temple curls. Okay, let me open my pickup so I can pick this bad boy out, fluff it up so we can see what we got going on, okay? Oh, this hair is super soft. I'm looking this way because my mirror is over here, but I'm just picking the hair like so to give it some volume and to break up some of these curls. I feel like these bangs are a bit long on me. I don't know if I have to go through them and cut some so I can see, baby. But this is what this is looking like on me. This is definitely giving like flexi rod set. Let me pull it back some. Maybe that'll do. What's it giving, y'all? Let me know. This is really giving natural hair. Like, this is perfect for the gal that wears their natural hair or wants to switch up their look. The more I'm fluffing it out, I'm like feeling the vibe, the gist. This will be really cute with like some big sunnies, some flare pants. We're bringing 70s, 80s back, baby, with this one, okay? This hair is super soft. The more I fluff it, I'm looking in my viewfinder, but the more I fluff it, the more I am actually feeling it. This is really giving like flexi rod set DIY on your own. And the thing that I love about this, you definitely need a big ratchet pair of hoop earrings with this one because it really is. I'm gonna fluff this out to the max. Okay, do you see those curls? This is so cute. Wait, hold up. It just got better and better with time.
What?
Okay. Okay, yeah, it's coming to life. Do you see me? Do you see me with a different look, y'all? Let me fluff this out. Oh my gosh, I look like a different person. This is so different for me and I am feeling it. Look at these curls. So cute. This, do you see me running my hands through these curls? This hair is so soft. I love this wig. Oh my goodness. Ah, I have a new style, y'all. If y'all see me acting up with this hair, just know it's from Hot Beauty, okay? I love this wig. It is so soft. You see, I'm like gliding my hands through these curls. She's not going nowhere, I think. Do you see this? She is she is not going nowhere. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Y'all see me? Y'all see how fast that was though? And I have a bun in the back of my head. You can't even tell. So for my girls out there that can't braid no hair, baby, just put your hair in a bun, plop this bad boy on and you are out the door. Oh my gosh. I know y'all see it. Wait, hold on. I know y'all. Stop it. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really cannot get over this wig. Like, so cute. Okay, the possibilities are endless with this unit because there's no lace that you have to melt. You can literally do it any kind of way. I am so, I don't know, I'm just speechless. This is really giving like Tracy Ellis Ross vibes. I am shocked. I really am shocked. I've never seen myself look like this and I didn't even get over it. Like, so cute. Oh my goodness. And like I said, this hair is so soft and it's so full. The more you fluff it out, obviously the bigger it's going to get. So you have your ginormous pick for this specific reason. As you can see, this hair just grows and grows the more you pick it out. But I am absolutely loving this. Don't forget to check the description for where you can purchase this hair. The link will be there. I also have a discount code. I will leave it here for you guys and I will leave it down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you like it on me, if you don't, what ways should I style it? Let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything is Dose of Sydney. It will also be listed in the description for you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.